In this section, we will learn how to choose a niche for your $5,000 Kindle ebook. To understand and to choose a niche, you just need to do a small drill with me. Take a piece of paper and write these questions on this piece of paper. What is your passion? What is your academic qualification? What is your professional expertise or experience? That means what's your job, what exactly you do for living? What's your favorite sports you play or you watch? And what do you like to do in your spare time as a hobby? If you put all of these questions on a piece of paper and then honestly you put all the answers. I have put few of answers here just to share with you, like health and fitness, MBA marketing, about the academic qualification, and then outdoor sales expert as the job expertise. Then basketball is the game which I play, and natural organic gardening. Now that's what is as a part-time or a hobby. Keeping all this in mind, let us now dive in and we go to Amazon store just to do more of the research on this. Okay, once you are here on the Kindle store, we go to categories here and we choose the category Kindle store. In Kindle store, let us try with the basketball. Now in basketball, we have these few books here, this one and this, and then not many books on this topic. We have one here, so let us click. What does it say? Okay, the price is little high for this. That means we're not looking for a high. If it is a high price, it's gonna be a longer book or a novel. We're not planning to do that. We're looking for a topic with on which we can write a smaller book like 70-80 pages or 100 pages and under a price of $2. So this is a higher price, but even then let us see what's the rating it has. Okay, it's the rating is 45,568. That's the bestseller rating or the bestseller rank. Not bad. Anything between 30,000, 35,000. It's a little lower. It's not going to give us that much result, but I think it's okay to start with. We have another book here with $2.99, $4.99, $3.99. So basketball looks a good niche. Basketball books are there are a lot of basketball books, and I think it's a nice niche to start with. Anyhow, we need to dig little more, and we need to see some other categories as well. Okay, MBA marketing, we go down again and we choose the Kindle store and then the MBA marketing, and let us see what we get. We have few of the books here on MBA, the MBA 2.0 handbook, the portable MBA in marketing, lean marketing, online marketing with organic, online marketing. Let us see which one. This doesn't look okay. 1.97, this looks okay, the price is okay. Let us see in detail. Fine. Let us see the rating. Okay, the rating is 305,000. That rating is not that good, so I don't think this is gonna be a good topic or good niche to work on, because that's way too down. 300,000, there's no way near. I don't think we can make a good money out of it. So let us try to find another niche. We go to We go to Kindle store and then we can try health and fitness. Let us try health and fitness. Okay, this seems promising. There are a lot of books here with a lot of 4.5 star, good rating, lot of good rating. Eat meat and stop jogging. Okay, we want to try, want to see a better one. Let us see bigger, leaner, stronger. Let us see this. Okay, the price on this is little higher. We can choose, it's a good niche. We can choose a book with a smaller, uh, we can choose the same topic and then we can write a book with the less pages. We can stick to our specify, we can the bestseller ranking is not that good. So let me try some other. Fitness nutrition, let us try fitness nutrition here. Or I think I've seen another one. Let us try this 3-day rapid weight loss detox. Okay, looks okay, fine. There are a lot of books on this topic, and the bestseller ranking is currently not available. But in books, it's at number 440, at number 432. Well, in this way, you can narrow down your niche and always keep in mind you keep your passion in that, because that topic which you have passion about, or any topic which you have little experience about, or anything which you like, you will be in a better position to start gathering and writing a book. Although we will get all of this information from your personal experience or passion and then from online, but still you need to have some passion about it, and then you will be able to write a good book which will sell well. We need to understand a topic which really sells well, like this one, make money blogging, $3.99. We want to write a book which is less pages, like 50 to 100 pages, and we will put it at a lower price because it is easy to sell at a price of 2.99. I think basketball is a good niche. Health and fitness also is okay. Generally, you look for good topics, you look for niche, you do your market research and get the best niche, and then I will tell you in the next slide how to start writing and gathering information and how to start writing a Kindle ebook. It's not difficult at all, just stick to the course. Okay, we have a couple of books here in the category diet books and weight loss. This also is a niche which is mostly most of the people they're looking for, and since in the those shortlisted topics we had health and fitness, so diet is a subcategory of health and fitness. Diet and weight loss we can try. There are a lot of books. Let us see this book, Aid to Your Ideal Weight. Okay, Aid to Your Ideal Weight, release your weight and restore your power in 8 weeks. Title is good. There are a lot of books here on this title, and let us see the ranking. Okay, the ranking also is 31,693, as we have calculated earlier in the previous slides. Anything which has a ranking of 30,000, it can give you a sale of roughly 10 books. So I think this is a very good niche to start with. You can choose this niche, or you can look for another niche which has a rating of somewhere close to 30,000, 20,000, 25,000, somewhere there.